Confronting the Beastbot directly is the best option, Lord Megatron.
We shall see how His Majesty fares against the most powerful weapon in our vault, the Dark Star Saber.
Oh my god, bro.
I'll just go fetch that little something we talked about.
Is it true that you ordered the annihilation of my army?
Indeed. And my only mistake was not seeing the extent.
I will tear you apart!
That's the spirit. But I was a champion of the pits of Kaon not only due to my savage might, but also my cunning. You should have heeded my advice and faced me as a beast.
A whole bunch of turbulence.
Bravo, my liege.